Are you looking for the best cordless leaf blowers? In this video, we will look at some of the best cordless leaf blowers the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ego Power Plus LB6504 Cordless Leaf Blower. More and more, we're seeing battery-powered equipment that rivals or exceeds the performance of their gas-powered counterparts. This cordless leaf blower is a case in point. We measured airspeed at 134 miles per hour and found, combined with the volume of air, 650 CFM, claimed that it easily blasted leaves from our test area when we were standing still. Stepping forward while sweeping back and forth cleared the area in seconds. Our sawdust test revealed a focused airstream, with sharp edges, extending beyond the end of our test area. While the runtime may seem short, bear in mind that's at the turbo setting. In use, we've learned that it's rare to continuously hold down the turbo button, or even the trigger. A more realistic runtime, without turbo locked on, is at least 27 minutes, and we could have probably extended the runtime further, because the LB6504 features a dial that allowed us to set and hold the airspeed at the lowest setting, useful for whatever task we were doing, and use the trigger or turbo button to boost speed when needed. This vastly extends runtime and reflects more realistic yard work. Now, there's a cordless leaf blower bundle on sale at Walmart right now. Key specs: airspeed, 134 miles per hour, weight, 11.3 pounds, battery, 56 volts, 5-hour runtime, 16 min, 56 sec. Number 2. Greenworks BL80L2510 Cordless Leaf Blower. One of the lightest cordless leaf blowers, the BL80L2510 can still legitimately replace a gas-powered unit. With our anemometer, we clocked the airspeed at a respectable 127 miles per hour, which falls in the middle of the range for handheld gas blowers. The tube tip is tapered at the end, creating a little narrower, focused airstream, which was evident in the pattern left in our sawdust test. We also noted more precision when blowing leaves out of our test area, which we cleared in seconds, taking just a couple of steps. Runtime is fair considering the 2.5Ah battery compared to other models. Greenworks offers 80-volt batteries up to 5Ah, which would significantly lengthen how long you can use the BL80L2510 in one shot. And if you already have a battery from another tool of theirs, use it and buy just the leaf blower without batteries to save some cash. Key specs: airspeed, 127 miles per hour, weight, 8 miles per hour, weight, 8.8 pounds, battery, 80 volts, 2.5Ah runtime, 13 min, 20 sec. Number 3. Ryobi RY40440 Cordless Leaf Blower. This is a good machine that delivers a wide, nearly perfectly symmetrical air pattern, with a well-defined boundary that reaches all the way out toward its end, where it flares into consistent branches. That shape and volume contribute to debris moving efficiency during its runtime of 47 minutes. It did well in both the leaf test and when we swept the parking lot clean after the sawdust tests. The RY40440 was also the quietest backpack leaf blower, a relief to our ears and our neighbors. The machine also gets high marks for comfortable controls, such as its handle and trigger, and its shoulder straps, which are well padded and highly adjustable. The cruise control lever, however, is difficult to pivot, and the flexible blower tube seems a bit too short, also making for a difficult pivoting motion. Key specs: airspeed, 127.7 miles per hour, weight, 17.8 pounds, battery, 40 volts, 5-hour, weight, 17.8 pounds, battery, 40 volts, 5-hour runtime, 47 min, 31 sec. Number 4. CAT 60V800 CFM Leaf Blower. At first glance, CAT's CAT 60V 700 CFM Leaf Blower appears to be a stout machine with a wide blower tube and tip. This is usually the case with blowers that move a significant volume of air, and the claimed 800 cubic feet per minute is just that. We clocked airspeed at 115 miles per hour, and with that much air moving that fast, the CAT cleared a wider swath than most in our sawdust erosion test. Like many models in our testing, the controls include a standard trigger, cruise control dial, and turbo boost button. The 60V800 CFM blower is a bit heavier than some models, in part due to CAT's larger battery format, which is generally the case with higher speed blowers. While the CAT easily cleared debris around the hard surfaces of our testing area, It should also do well on stubborn leaves in or on grass. We'll update this fall with leaf blowing impressions as soon as we have leaves to blow. Key specs: battery, 60 volts, 5.0 ah runtime, 14 min, 15 sec decibels, 91.6. Number 5. DeWalt DCBL 772X1 Cordless Leaf Blower. Don't be misled by this DeWalt's low airspeed. It's well-shaped and productive, capable of carving its way through debris. And we found it was easy to use in a sweeping motion to brush leaves aside. Its brief runtime, however, suggests that the tool is best on small patches of leaves, or for jobs like construction site cleanup or sweeping out the garage. Its design for these purposes is clear, judging by the hefty skid plate below the blower housing and battery. That should help this cordless leaf blower withstand rough and tumble use. Key specs: airspeed, 105.9 miles per hour, weight, 9.6 pounds, battery, 60 volts, 3 ah run. Number 6. Denali 20V400 CFM Leaf Blower Kit. The Denali 20V400 CFM Leaf Blower isn't the most powerful model we tested, but it is easily one of the most affordable. And if you already have other Denali cordless tools, this blower shares the same battery, so having another one or more will extend your runtime. The 20V leaf blower was simple to use during testing. With just one dial to control airspeed, just set it where you want and boost with a push of the thumb if you need more power. Our sawdust erosion test revealed a fairly focused stream of air that can be made wider with an included fan-shaped blower tube tip. We found the runtime set to maximum speed to be fair and within the range of many other models tested. The Denali 20V easily blew off walkways, patios, and driveways, and it will certainly blow leaves. Due to our testing this spring season, we haven't had an opportunity to blow heavy leaf cover yet, but we will as soon as fall rolls around. Key 4.0 ah runtime, 13 min, 23